Here's how you can download and edit one of them pesky little YouTube videos. It's pretty easy. You just fire up YouTube Downloader. I think it's an awesome little program. Very easy to use, straightforward. Get that fired up. And fire up YouTube here. Let's see, there we go. I'll just download one of my videos here. One that I've already downloaded, but we'll download it again, it's quick. Okay. The real vampire footage. Pause that. You just go up here and you right click and copy it. Then when you get your YouTube downloader up there, all you gotta do is mouse over it and it'll put it right in there. You don't even have to do anything. Isn't that nice? Then you select your download location. Your default download location is blah blah, and download. Takes a second here. Save. File already exists. Want to replace it? Yes. It'll take just a minute here to download. What the heebity jeebity? Oh, wait a minute here. You know why? Because I have it opened. Let's download it. Let's see. Real vampire footage. 1. Rename it. Let's try that. Good. Download's complete. Yeah, because I had it open already in another application, so naming it the same thing wasn't going to work. Okay, so we got that done. We got that done. Now, if you're lucky enough to have a lot of money invested in the Adobe CS products, and you want to edit that in Premiere Pro, so you figure it's a flash file, it downloads as an FLV, so you try to bring it in. Let's see. Uh-oh. It won't import it. None of the Adobe products will import the FLV files that you download from YouTube. And I pulled my hair out for a while trying to figure out a way to convert these over until I just decided one day to just rename it. If you just rename it to a AVI file, then you go into your Premiere Pro and you go to import it. It will import it and everything's all good. You put it down in the timeline. And we'll go get over to here. We'll tilde this. And coming up is this is the video I just downloaded from YouTube. So, piece of cake. Don't pull your hair out. It was hard for me to pull my hair out because I'm bald anyways, so but anyways, I just thought I'd show somebody if somebody cared, because I know it drove me crazy for a long time. I could work on the audio. Audacity, it would go into Audacity. You know, Audacity would open up the audio file from it. I could work on it, but none of the stinking Adobe products would. It was driving me batty. But all right, there you go. So that's it.